Hi scientists! Today you're going to be reading an article. This is science, and so I want you to make sure that you're understanding the science, and I wouldn't want reading or difficulty reading getting in the way of understanding science. So what I try to do is I put the articles that we're going to read, I put them in a Google Doc. And the reason that I do that is because there is an extension that will read the article to you. So the purpose of this video today is I want you to check to see if you have the Read and Write for Google extension, and if you don't have it, I want you to add it. So you were in Schoology and you clicked open. Once you click open the article, it takes you to a Google Doc that looks like this. Your extensions are at the top right when you have a Chrome tab open, and so these are extensions that I have up here. The Read and Write for Google extension is a purple puzzle piece. So I have a puzzle piece, but it's not purple. So currently I don't have that extension. So before I start this article, I want to go get that extension. So I go to the Chrome store. You might have an app that looks like this that gets you to the Chrome store. I just Googled Chrome Web Store and this came up. So in the search bar, I'd like for you to type read, R-E-A-D, and then the and sign, which is Shift 7. And I didn't do any spaces. And so do you see how it came up? Read and Write for Google. So you click on Read and Write for Google. And this is the one that you want, Read and Write for Google. And you want to click Add to Chrome. You might have to choose your Google account, and you might have to click on Allow. And so now, so it says Read and Write for Google Chrome has been added. Use this extension by clicking on the icon, or you can do Alt-Shift-R. So now, whoops, now I have, and I'm going to pin that. So I clicked on the gray puzzle piece, and then I'm going to take off some others. I'm not quite sure why I have all those pinned. But when you pin, when you click this, it's called pinning, and it stays up there. So now I have the purple puzzle piece, and I'd like to show you how it works. So when you have a Google Doc open or a website, so if I send you to a website and you're supposed to read, it will work in a website or in a Google Doc. So you click on the puzzle piece, and this comes. Sometimes it takes just a moment, so click and wait, and then it gives you a menu. So there are all kinds of things that the Read and Write extension will do. It can allow you to highlight. You can listen. So that's what I wanted to show you. So I'm going to put my cursor here, and then I'm going to press play.
Everything around us is made of matter: your clothes, the trees, even the water you drink.
Then I'm going to
divide matter into 4 major categories, which are called the force.
So I had to press stop. I tried pressing pause, not sure why pause wasn't working, but I pressed stop. So I want you to be aware of the Read and Write for Google extension. If you do not have that, please stop what you're doing, go to the Chrome Web Store, and add that extension.